Welcome to Maths Line. We have this question today. It says simplify root 9x plus root 25x minus 5 is equals to 75. Now, what do you do with this kind of question? Let me teach you what to do. Solution. Root 9x plus root 25x minus 5 is equals to 75. Now, first let us recall one of the laws of surd. And it says that if we have root a multiplied by b, we can also express this as root a times root b. That's one of the laws. So, if you look at this, you notice that what we have is also similar to this, is similar to this. So, if we apply this law to this, which then means that we have root 9 multiplied by root x plus root 5 multiplied by root x, which minus 5 is equals to 75. So what do we now do here? We can now then say that what is root 9? Root 9 is 3. And when we multiply 3 by root x, that will give us 3 root x plus, what is root 25? Root 25 is 5. We'll multiply 5 by x, that will give us 5 root x minus 5 is equals to 75. So what do we now do next? Because these two are equal, we cannot add these two together because they are equal. We cannot say that 3 plus 5 will give us 8, and we'll take one of these, which means that we have 8 root x minus 5 is equals to 75. Now, don't forget that we're looking for the value of x. So to do this, we cannot say that root 8 root x is equals to 75. When this minus sign crosses the sign of equals to, it becomes a positive sign. So we can say 75 plus 5, and this will give us 80, which means that 8 root s is equals to 80. So what do we now do next? Let us divide by the coefficients. We use 8 to divide both sides. So here we cannot have root x, root 8 divided by 8 is equals to 80 divided by 8. 8 will cancel 8 here. 8 into 8 is 1, and 8 into 80 will give us 10. So which means that root s is equals to 10. How do you remove this root here? To remove the root here, there's a law that says that if we want to remove this root x, we have to square both sides. So which means that this can also be expressed as, we can express it as root s square here. So we can cancel this to cancel this, and this will automatically give us s. So this is how we remove the root here. So to do that, that means that we have to square both sides. So to square both sides, we have root x is equals to 10 square. This square will cancel this. So that means that we have s is equals to 10 times 10. And our s is equals to 100. And this is our answer. And I hope you've learned something today. Please like and share our video. I'll see you in our next class. Thank you.